Hey guys, so I have a bone to pick with Microsoft. Now, it's not a big issue in the grand scheme of things. However, it does bug me a lot around their policies. Now, I have managed to get hold of an Xbox Series X just over a week ago, and it arrived in a shiny brand new box. Had that nice, console, a new console smell. And I fired it up around midday, started the updates, and I thought, okay, by the time I finish work, it should pretty much all be done. But when I came back downstairs for after work, the unit was off. And I was thinking, oh, hang on a minute, did I forget to turn off the energy saving feature or something? But when I tried to turn it on by the power button, it just would not turn on. It would flicker, but then flicker back off again. So I went online and had a look, and it looks like that there is a known internal power supply issue. Okay, as I say, it's not the end of the world. These things happen. Electrical goods can fail, and they will fail, and that's why there is a process by the company and manufacturer to help the consumer resolve the issue. Now, the challenge I had was that I couldn't talk to anyone at Microsoft about it. The call me back feature, which you could do online, would not work. It kept on saying there's a problem at their end. And I tried multiple browsers, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, it wouldn't work. So my only option really was to hit the service repair button and arrange for this to be sent back. So I did that, and there was a disclaimer that came up that said, we will replace your item with a certified refurbished. Now that bothered me a lot because I don't see why I should have paid full price for an item for it to fail within 24 hours and then to be given a refurbished replacement. Now I jumped onto Reddit and I saw that other people had complained of that issue. However, there was a general feedback that Microsoft say that, but they do actually give back a brand new unit. How do they know that? By looking at the manufacturing data at the back of the box. So I put this back into the original Xbox packaging, put the controller in, which apparently I shouldn't have had to, and I just boxed it up, sent off to UPS, and job done. Now, it came back a couple of days ago, and it came back in this box. Now, as you can see, there is no original Xbox packaging. Furthermore, I'm not convinced that this is a brand new unit, because when I look at the back of it, I can't see a manufacturer's date. I can only see a service by date. Now, it's more the principle that bothers me, that with a company as big as Microsoft, which such a huge reach as they do globally, that they seem happy that you could buy a brand new product from them, but they'll replace it with a refurbished at the same price. Now, if I were to look online at refurbished products from other companies, including the likes of Apple, they don't charge retail price. It is a lower reduced cost. But there's no way that Microsoft are actually going to honour or do any financial compensation. I'm not really looking for financial compensation. I just want to understand why refurbished? Why can't I get a brand new unit, especially if it fell within 24 hours? Let's look at the good news. It works now. Well, I say now, it's not the same unit. It is another unit. It's been downloading for 24 hours and it's not failed, which is great news. But again, this is just more the policy that bothers me. It's not important in the grand scheme of things, as I mentioned earlier. And it's a shame that I can't actually get through to Microsoft and have a conversation with them about it. So moving forward, I guess I'm going to have to rethink about, do I want to buy from Microsoft directly again? Would I have had an easier route or a different route had I gone through retail? But obviously, in the climate we are today, these are like gold dust, and I absolutely refuse to buy these on eBay. So that's it really. That's my whinge for a Tuesday evening. I'd love to hear from you if you have had similar experiences Did you send your unit off back to Microsoft, and what did you get in return? Did you get a new one or a manufactured? How do you feel about the whole thing? So that's it, guys. Thanks for listening. I am going to fire this up, and I'm going to play really, really badly at Rainbow Six. Thanks so much, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.